Hello, this is Richard, owner of All Clean. I have some exciting news. In order to provide better service to you, we will be implementing an automated window cleaning service reminder system that can be customized for your needs. You will get a voicemail message, email, and text from me. The text message will be from a different local number, but I always identify myself as, "This is Richard with All Clean." I have the system set up to reach out to you every 6 months. However, reminders can be customized for yearly, quarterly, monthly, etc. Just let me know what works best for you. If you prefer to never be contacted again, just reply "Stop." This is something new, so there may be some bugs or quirks. Please let me know if you experience any problems or have any questions. We greatly appreciate your business over the years and wish you all the best.